Hey girl, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Showing you guys the hair, the edge control that I'm using, and the expression pre-stretch braiding hair. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair horizontally and section it off. And I'm trying this new thing where I put edge control at the root of my braids, so they came out so much smoother. Start sewing the curly hair in the back. And this is my first time trying this hair, so I will let you guys know how I like it. So far I do. The last track is going to be sewn in upside down so that it can flip over and cover the rest of the tracks. And then I'm going to go ahead and just detangle it a little bit before I cut off the excess cap from the net. And then I was looking too serious, so I had to be childish for a second. But now I'm just combing down what I'm going to style as my edges. And I did that off camera, as well as change my parts because I decided I wanted to do it a different way. And I used the same pack hair for the braids in the front because they're going to be Fulani flip over braids. And I'm starting off with my real hair. This is just how I do it on myself. I didn't used to do my clients like this. But yeah, then I'm just going to feed the hair in. I have plenty of feed in braid tutorials on my channel if you want to just search for feed in braids, Flawless Britny. I'm just going to add the curly hair piece in last and make sure I section it off so that it's not getting braided too far down, because I want it to come from like the root. And braid the braid all the way down, and then I'm going to add curly pieces at the end as well, just for a better blend, because I feel like it blends better like this as opposed to dipping the ends with perm rods. I don't really like how that looks all the time. But that's how the first braid looks, and I'm so happy because I made progress. Now, this is like several hours later, so I went off camera and did most of the hairstyle, and I'm just going to show you guys what I did. I did 3 feed-in braids on the side, then I did 1 row of knotless braids with the curls added as well. And that's how it came out. And then I just did some regular straight to the back, well, horizontal feed-in braids in the middle. It's very simple, you guys. It's a very easy style to do on yourself. And this is the last braid. So now I'm going to do the finishing touches, which is adding some mousse. This is my favorite part. I love the mousse. I love playing with it. It feels so good on my head, and it really relieves those braids tightness for a little bit. And I also added on the curly hair because I just like that wet look for curl patterns. And this is the finished look, you guys. Let me know what you think. I love the flip over. I love the versatility of it. I love the fact that I can wear it in multiple styles and get more use out of it. And I added these little bows. These really are my daughter's bows, but I just wanted to give a little coquette vibe, you feel me? girly vibe, and do some different styles. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below and what you want to see next. Love you. Bye.